Today we will be performing the transfer belt removal and installation on the M375, 475, 476 printers, and we will be using the 375 as our device for the demo today. And I will leave the part numbers for the transfer belt in the comment section below. And we'll start this procedure by approaching the machine from the front, making sure it is turned off and unplugged for about 15 minutes. Let it cool down. And we're going to pull the toner drawer out, remove it by using a flathead on the right side to lose the tension guide. And next, we're going to unscrew two Phillips heads on the left and the right side that hold it's a plastic guide that holds the belt in place. Now it's not going to come all the way out. You just kind of lift it and push it off to the side, just to give you enough room to get access to the belt. There's also a connector here, and we disconnected that. Now the belt removal is a little tricky. You want to make sure you are wearing gloves. You're going to lift up. You're going to have to just guide it as you're removing it from the printer. You want to be careful as you're removing it. You don't touch that black polymer material with any of the hard points on the top or the bottom. And you can see the rails that it travels along on the left and the right. And reverse the procedure to reinstall. Couple of repair notes. The page yield on the transfer belts is around 125,000 pages. These are available here at Metrofuser in a number of different options. There is no page reset procedure needed for this. It's just a simple removal and installation, and you're ready to go. Now finally, if you are doing this, you may be replacing the secondary transfer roller. So I'll give you access to the secondary transfer roller. It's behind the machine. Real simple procedure. Pull the toner access door down, and you'll see on the left and the right there's these flathead, small flathead goes through the guide, and it just tension relief. Roller pops up and out, and reverse the procedure to replace. Click into place, and it's complete. If you enjoy these videos and like to see more, please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel here on YouTube, and visit us online at metrofuser.com.